Taizhou Lingba Electromechanical Equipment Company Limited. We are located in Taizhou City, Zhejiang Province, China. We are the professional welding machine factory in doing of MMA and ARC inverter welding machine, MIG gas inverter welding machine, MIG gasless inverter welding machine, TIG argon inverter welding machine, and plasma cutting machine. Our company has completely advanced inverter welding machine production equipment. All our products are past CE and ROS testing, 100% fully load burn-in testing to make sure the quality. We provide customers with first-class one-stop customized services and brand design. Our company has 90 employees, including more than 3 senior engineers who are responsible for various welding machines designing and researching. More than 90 welding machine workers ensure all customer orders are delivered on time. High-efficiency sales team and competitive price superiority attract customers from all over the world, including Poland, Turkey, Russia, Mexico, Brazil, India, Thailand, Philippines, Middle East, and South America. After nearly a decade of development, we have proxy clients in some countries around the world. We participate in various welding machine exhibitions every year to expand our business. The company invests over 10 million RMB in research and development annually. Lingba's goal is to become a leader in the inverter welding machine industry. Welcome welder dealers from all over the world to visit Lingba.